Hello, my name is Bronwyn Olliffe and I wrote the text Professional Conduct Legal Accounting. I've been teaching professional conduct legal accounting for over 20 years, and during that time I've been able to identify the concepts that students find most difficult as they approach this area. Apart from my book, Professional Conduct Legal Accounting, there are some very useful resources, and those resources can be found in the Law Society of New South Wales Legal Accounting Handbook. That handbook deals with trust and controlled money only. There is no coverage of office accounting in that handbook. The handbook is available from the New South Wales Law Society. There is also the College of Law practice paper, Solicitors Accounting Records, and that paper does cover both trust and office accounting. The toughest key concepts that students grapple with in this area relate to categories of trust money. A student has to determine into which category the trust money falls, and that will then determine the process that needs to be followed in bookkeeping terms. Another area that seems to pose some challenges for students is when to make use of the trust account transfer journal. If students can work out the categories of money and how to use the trust account transfer journal, then I think a lot of the problems that they often face can be avoided. In terms of the office account system, students often have difficulty with the concept of petty cash. Yes, I certainly do recommend that students undertake some practice exercises. I think it's the very best way to really understand the process of legal accounting. In the book you will find a list of transactions at the end of the book, and what I'd recommend is that students work their way through those transactions and then on completion check the answers that they've come up with the answers in the back of the book. The difference between an open book exam and a closed book exam relates to the material that you are allowed to take into the exam room. If it's an open book exam, a student can take in any material into the examination room, whereas a closed book exam, a student is not allowed to take any material into the exam and just has to rely on their memory.